Everyone knows ChatGPT, but while the world is stuck arguing over prompts and shortcuts, a quieter revolution is happening underneath. A new wave of specialized AI tools has arrived. Tools built to solve specific, painful problems that general chatbots were never designed to handle. Today, I'm showing you 7 free AI tools that most people don't even know exist yet. These aren't gimmicks. These are tools that turn voice notes into publish-ready blogs, research papers into podcasts, and blank screens into full presentations in minutes. Let's get into it. Most people think AI starts and ends with ChatGPT, but while everyone else is fighting over the same basic workflows, a few specialist tools have quietly emerged, each one doing a single job ridiculously well. Think of it like this. ChatGPT is a Swiss Army knife. These tools are precision instruments, and once you start using them, the old way of working starts to feel slow. 1. Notebook LM, the research powerhouse. First up is Notebook LM by Google, and if you work with research, long documents, or study material, this tool instantly stands out. Instead of loosely chatting with your files, it creates a source-grounded workspace, meaning every answer is pulled directly from the documents you upload. No guessing, no hallucinations. The standout feature is audio overviews. Upload a 50-page PDF and Notebook LM turns it into a 10-minute realistic podcast where 2 voices discuss your content naturally. It doesn't just summarize, it explains, questions, and connects ideas with every claim traceable back to your source. In real use, you can upload an entire semester's notes and have the AI quiz you on exactly what you struggle with most. And surprisingly, Google currently offers these deep dive audio features completely free. 2. Napkin AI, the visual communicator. Next is Napkin AI, a tool that fixes a common problem. Ideas that make sense in text but fall apart visually. You paste in your text, and Napkin instantly turns it into clean, professional diagrams, flowcharts, or infographics that are fully editable. What makes it powerful is that it understands structure. Describe a cycle, and it builds a loop. Describe a hierarchy, and it builds a tree. It's not just drawing shapes, it's interpreting your logic. In practice, this means you can turn a plain text LinkedIn post into a high-engagement carousel in under 30 seconds. And the free tier lets you export high-quality PNGs or SVGs with no watermarks. 3. DeepSeek, the open-source powerhouse. Then there's DeepSeek, quietly shaking up the AI world. While big platforms lock their best reasoning tools behind subscriptions, DeepSeek stays open and still rivals paid models in coding, mathematics, and logical problem-solving. Its standout feature is Reasoning Mode, which shows the AI's step-by-step thinking before giving the answer. This makes it perfect for learning, debugging code, or solving tricky calculus problems that trip up standard bots. The biggest advantage? You get access to these powerful models directly through the website or app without paying a $20 monthly fee, making this a rare free powerhouse in the AI space. 4. Gamma, the instant presentation builder. If you're spending hours in Google Slides, Gamma will change the game. Give it a single prompt, and it creates a full presentation, web page, or document in under a minute, writing content, choosing visuals, and formatting everything automatically. The results feel polished and intentional, not generic. Its secret is the Fluid Card system, which reformats your slides perfectly for any screen. In real life, that means if you have a surprise meeting in 10 minutes, you can generate a complete 10-slide pitch deck while your coffee is brewing. The free tier even provides replenishing AI credits, letting you create multiple professional projects without paying a dime. 5. VoicePal/WhisperFlow, the thought-to-text king. This next tool is built for people who think faster than they type. VoicePal, also known as WhisperFlow, takes raw voice notes, filled with pauses, rambling, and half-finished thoughts, and turns them into clean, structured writing. It doesn't change your meaning, it just fixes the delivery. What makes it impressive is how naturally it works. The AI removes ums, ahs, and repetitive loops while preserving your tone and intent. If you tend to think out loud, this feels like a superpower. In practice, you can record a brain dump while driving, and arrive at your destination with a perfectly formatted blog post or email waiting for you. Its transcription accuracy is noticeably higher than the free dictation tools built into Windows or macOS, even on the free tier. 6. Ideogram 2.0. The graphic design secret. Most AI image generators still fail at one critical thing: text. That's where Ideogram 2.0 stands out. If you need logos, posters, thumbnails, or designs where readable text actually matters, this tool delivers consistently clean results. Ideogram uses a specialized typography engine that allows precise control over font style, placement, and layout. That's why the text finally looks sharp instead of distorted or unreadable. For creators, this is huge. In real use, it's perfect for YouTube thumbnails, posters, or even custom t-shirt designs that rely on bold, clear lettering. Unlike many competitors, Ideogram's free tier still gives you daily credits and allows high-quality downloads without forcing an upgrade. 7. ElevenLabs, the sound of 2026. Finally, there's ElevenLabs, and this is where audio content takes a massive leap forward. Most people know it for text-to-speech, but its creator tools go far beyond that. The voice enhancer alone can make a cheap microphone sound studio-grade, while the speech-to-speech feature lets you record a line and transform it into a professional voiceover without losing emotion or timing. One of its most powerful features is voice design, which lets you generate a completely unique human voice by adjusting sliders for age, gender, and accent. This is especially powerful for faceless creators. In real-world scenarios, you can record audio in a noisy room and let ElevenLabs strip the noise and replace your voice with a cinematic narrator. Their starter tier is generous enough for short-form creators on TikTok, Shorts, and Reels. The AI landscape moves fast, and the people winning in 2026 aren't using more tools. They're using the right tool for the right task. All the tools mentioned are linked in the description below. None of these are sponsored. I genuinely use them to stay productive, and I wanted to pass that value on. If you want to stay ahead of the curve and discover under-the-radar AI tools before they go viral, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. I'm breaking down the best tech every week, so you don't have to do the research yourself.